Hey you guys, so I just got, ooh, I look a mess. Yeah, I've just been laying down on YouTube, like always, but I just got in from going places and stuff like that. I know it looks so horrible, but who really cares? I really don't really care right now, but I'm going to be showing you my room. I think I did videos, and I'm like, sorry, my room's dirty, I can't do room tour. So I get to warning you that my closet is a little bit dirty, and this is as clean as my room's going to get, but it's not like perfectly clean. I still need to pick up little bits and pieces, but it's pretty much my room tour and stuff. And I didn't even, hold on, let me back up my sister's. Hold on. 1 second. I didn't even know it was Friday. Like, I thought it was like Wednesday, but it's Friday. I hate that song, but anyways, okay, so to the point, I'm going to be showing you my room, and I started color coding my closet, so it looks so cool. I just love it. And I'll be doing outfits for school, and I'll be doing how to organize, and hopefully I'll be doing a follow me around soon, so I look forward to that. So yeah, I should do follow me around, but I'm gonna try to upload videos to my computer to that, so yeah. Alright, so first things off with the outfit of the day. My hair looks crazy, but it looks crazy whenever, so okay, I don't know why your finger is going, but so first I just want to tell y'all that I am wearing this kind of jewelry. One's a friendship bracelet, and then one's just my friend gave it to me. It said PSP, so I was like, whatever. So, yeah. Alright, so this is my outfit of the day. Okay, so I'm wearing hold on 1 second. What? I don't know, so yeah, but this Aeropostale shirt. It says Aeropostale Athletics, and I love these Aeropostale shirts, so take a look. And it's yellow. I have them in a variety of colors. This gray tank top, and my BCBG sweatpants are really expensive, or where I got them. I don't know if you find them the cheapest ones, but the BCBG, and they have rhinestones right here. I guess that's why, and you can't wash it, so you can't get it dirty. And on the buttons, I know make sure my butt, but on the buttons, it has like two, you can see, and it's really cute. And then BCBG, I think it really matched. I just wore some flats with it, so yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that's the outfit of the day, and I just pulled back my hair, but it looked better. But I just pulled back my hair, had some lip gloss on and stuff. So yeah. Alright, so let's start my room tour. I'm just like chit chatting. Okay. So my bed is also by. Let me show you. That's a big way. So I don't know if that has to be yes or not, but it just says please like it says copy my family answer. Over here. The video of this is chart that I recently just and you can put charts on here, and I can put what I need to do, ready for homework due. Exercise and books. Cream that I made. I'm not gonna make this one my beauty channel, but I will be giving how I made it. So just follow my channel at Flavor X on the side, and you'll be seeing how I made it, or I'll leave it. This cute little wallet I got. I my birthday long. I forgot to ship. really cute. I think it's really cute because personally I love stars and hearts. Yeah. With two beds. And then I do not share it in the room. I just have two beds because sometimes my back hurts and I want something like straight where it's not jumping around nothing like it's hard. Or sometimes I have to sleep on this bed. I don't know, but I'm just weird. My curtains, you know. It's so cute. It's princess. I'm Mira. It's my computer. Doing a working video, of course. And then if you're interested in my things, I can see like tons and tons of them. But you can see my okay. Then I have the pictures. I just love pictures. And I have pictures everywhere. And all that stuff. I think I did this, but I'll just leave it simple. Whereas my brother, I had to do the Romania, but not together, and not the same go along with her. My sister and me, kindergarten, couple of all that, but she's like, oh, come on, over. Just because she Jackson, because this picture of this lady's arm, but that's me and my friend I know is Bridget. First, like, dogs, my mom, and my family, and sisters up there. Family, and that family. We have had all these sexual ones, and medical to go like that. So, talk about process. Extra stuff as well. And here, I have some everyday jewelry, you know, pretty much does. Nice to pick up in that pink bed. So, yeah. Look at it, so it says Yo Mama. No, I can see that, but it says Yo Mama. And like everyday jewelry stuff. Oh, and I put my makeup brushes and stuff up there. So that when we move it, so I put my makeup brushes like that. I'll put it in there. No, just listen. Okay, so two over island, and you have a food town. I went to food town today, and they had elf brushes for 99 cents to like for your eyeshadow, your blush, your concealer. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get $5 and I'm gonna buy the 99 cents, so $5. So $5 is some change. You can get about five or four, something like that. So I'm gonna go back and I'll be coming with a whole lot of brushes, and so I'm just gonna write down the places I need to go and what I need to get from there. So I'll be making my own little 5-minute video about that. Just a minute. Alright. And that's the gym. Needs to be clean actually. My cold mix because y'all should know that I have a cold right now. I'm like, I don't know. Hold on, I'll just drink here. Okay, you don't get that anyway. That is it's just Victoria's Secret. I love going in with the pink line and the pink side because they have huge stuff. And that's when we get my bag from, and then we get a Hello Kitty backpack. So it depends that day if I'm carrying a lot of school supplies, which will probably be the first day I'm going to bring a Hello Kitty backpack. So I'll just tell you all about school, what's going to happen when I'm going to get the next video. So So I'll take my room tour. It's not really a detailed room tour. Now, this is just my room tour. Now I'm going to show you some closets. So, yeah. And it's really great as a story side, but it's still. It's my overthings wall, straps, and my tank tops, whites and grays, and keeps on going. And yeah. Well, here's when I want to dress up and stuff. And if you actually go to stores that have these kind of hangers, you can ask for them, and either you can pay like a couple of dollars for them, and you get like a lot of them, or you can just ask for it and leftovers and get that they might not need them anymore. And I love these because it has the little clips, so if you just want to unclip them, and it's really cute because if it's like backwards, here look, if it's like backwards and you hang all your things like that, if you just put it, like look, if you just put it on the rack, it will just like go like that, so I don't have to be like this, and I'm like, oh, I'm just like, oh, trying to get that, so got those, and I was just going to use these kind of hangers for these, so yeah, let's set my closet, and then this is where I put my necklaces now, instead of, yeah, let's set my closet, and yeah, have a nice day, I really hope you like it, and I'm done a bathroom tour, and all things about school, later on today, because I need to catch up on everything, and go where all my sports and stuff are. Okay, hope you like it. That was my really cool winter. Yeah. Alright, so talk to you later. It's the BUSP. And once again, peace out. The BUSP, and follow me on X105. Bye.